In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight every other row in Google Sheets. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right into it. Start by opening your Google Sheets spreadsheet. If you already have it open, perfect. If not, navigate to Google Sheets and either open an existing document or create a new one. Once you have your spreadsheet in front of you, we can begin the process of highlighting those rows. First, you'll want to select the range of rows that you'd like to format. You can do this by clicking and dragging with your mouse over the row numbers on the left side of your sheet, or by clicking the first row, holding down the Shift key, and then clicking the last row you want to highlight. This will highlight all the rows in between as well. Once you have your rows selected, the next step is to click on the Format option located in the menu at the top of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that menu you'll want to find and select Conditional Formatting. This option is incredibly helpful because it allows you to set rules that will automatically format the selected cells based on specific conditions. So let's use it to our advantage. After you click on Conditional Formatting, a sidebar will pop up on the right side of your screen. In this sidebar, you'll see an option labeled Format Cells If. Click on the drop-down next to this option to reveal a list of conditions. For our purposes of highlighting every other row, you'll want to select Custom Formula Is from that list. Now, here comes the fun part. You're going to enter a formula that tells Google Sheets how to identify every other row. In the box that appears, type in the formula equals ICEven row. This formula checks if the row number is even. If it is, then Google Sheets will apply the formatting that we will set next. After entering the formula, you'll need to decide how you want to highlight those rows. Still in the sidebar, look for the Formatting Style section. Here, you can choose a background color for your even-numbered rows. Click on the color box to open up the color palette and select your preferred color. You might want to choose something subtle like a light gray, so it's easy to read the text in those rows. Once you've decided on the color, click Done at the bottom of the sidebar. And just like that, you will see that every even-numbered row in your selected range is now highlighted with the color you chose. What a great way to make your data more visually appealing and easier to read at a glance. Finally, just to wrap things up, if you want to highlight every odd row instead, you can simply follow the same steps but use the formula equals OPDO instead. And there you have it. Congrats! You've successfully learned how to highlight every other row in Google Sheets. Feel free to experiment with different colors and formatting options to find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you found this